Hi everyone, I am Susan Zam. Today we'll be looking at greetings between two persons in Berom. Let's start. Pwol tyang is good morning. Response is Pwol tyang, tyang or tyangko. If the person replies Pwol tyang, the person is just saying good morning to you too. Tyang and tyangko are fine. Pwol tyang is how did you sleep? You will say tyang or tyangko, which is fine. For Pwol tyang, did you sleep well? Response tyang, which is fine, or ma Pwol tyang, which means I slept well or I slept fine. In the afternoon and evening, you say wo so tyang or wo sho tyang or wo ho tyang or wo tyang, which is good afternoon or good evening. You could also say wo so tyang, wo sho tyang, wo ho tyang, or wo tyang. The response is the same, which is tyang or tyangko, meaning fine. Alright, I'll stop here for today. I will come your way with other greetings in Berom. Bye for now.